Hi guys, today we're at the airport and we're going to Spain.
What are you doing?
Going for security.
You're going through security, are you? Amazing.
Right, we'll see you later. Take that, keep it with Daddy. Bye.
So what are we doing, Bubba? We're going on a plane?
Yeah,
Which plane? You got your little book?
Yeah.
And where are we sitting? Are we sitting at the back?
Are we sitting right at the
I think so, right at the back.
back? We'll never go.
Love. And what are you going to use that for?
To get.
To get in? What, to get in?